Hi everyone. So, welcome to day 97. Today, we will be working more and working towards another part. We have completed the previous old APIs integration. Now, in the new API integration, we will start with two integration. That is search and user review. So, if it's not there, let me add that. Search. So, there is two integration: search and user review. First, let's start with the search integration, and then we will do user review integration. After that, we will start working on my post. So today task is just to do the search and user review. It may be short video, it may be long video. So let's begin. So let's get back to the code and first run the backend server. Cd backend source env slash in slash activate. Let also run the frontend server. App.py. So we are in the search view and here we can see it's again authorization. So first let's change that. So we have changed this to this. So let's change this first and then we will change the API request and all sort of those things as per the requirements. Let's see. Just taking some time to load. See, you want to search like the not able to see it and let's see are we getting we are getting 404 but it's not come like right. So let's get back to the API first. Why we get 404? The search API. It means it didn't found any users, any such user. So any I guess let's check the database. Is it active or not? So there's a query for active. We'll search for active user only. So let's see in the instance. Test status is still active. It's under review. So let's remove it first and then also search API. Now I hope it will work again. Let's try this. So now again, if I try this, it is not sending request. So that also the case when we once we call this, because this is a case for on mounted and there is no function for it. So basically we have to create the function. So by that time, let's see, I want to do this again. Again, it goes and it says 404. If Q, let me print the Q itself. Let me see. Dot status. Again, it sends the API. And we get the 500 because it's in the try, and we get here. We get internal server error. That is in the network. Very object don't have any attribute. So let me check the API first. I hope API was working. So we got some access token here. So let me copy that first, add it here. authorize and try it out. So let's say TE. Again, I will get the issue with the fetch command. So let me remove that in the API first. See here. And page equals to 1 and per page equals to, let's say, 10. Now we are getting test. So it means this is working. Why so? Same search API. So if you can see in localhost colon 5000 API slash search query, it's not queue, it's query. So we are making a mistake here as queue. It must be query. Let me search TE. And now I have to see the console, what I get. So your application should be network. Let me clear this. Go to social connect. Clear this. And let me do this. I get 200. Still, I am getting error. Now I know that error is from frontend. Let me see what it shows. Console.log items.value. Search data. And here we can see no item found, and for item in item.username. So what we receive here, item.data.username. So I'm getting error in the calling of API itself. API response is correct. Getting this response.data.data. We are getting an array handler. So we are getting this. Now we are getting the data. Thing we get the data, and now the item dot username. So we got this. So let me try this as well, and we get 405. API slash user slash review. So now let's check this first. API slash user slash review, user review. In the argument, we pass the user ID. That will be called from the front end. Here, which will be passed here. That will be used here. It is similar to here. What I have to use instead of this, I have to use this quotation. Instead of T, let's try RE. Fetch search result is not defined. This function is called here, and we have to add that here as well. Marker item dot user ID. Now let me go to user review. Location argument. API slash user slash review. So user ID equals to, again the same issue. So in the code, here in the code, I have to use here user ID equals to this. Now still solve the first problem first. TE, if I able to mark it, I will able to resolve that using that problem. User ID again. Location is args. It means it will be passed in the argument itself. So it's a post request. So it should not be the post request. It should be the put request. That is also an error. Now we get this done. But there is no response. What happened? So after this, what we want? We want window dot alert user mark for review. Should be inside here. All right. Now we know one thing is done, two things is done. Now the thing I have to do is when I am on the search page, the search bar itself works. So that is the problem we will solve today. And after that problem, what I will do, I will solve. I will also move towards my post part. So that's all from my side. Thank you. Hope you enjoyed the session. Thank you all of you. We will be ending this session and I will posting this on my YouTube channel. Thank you.